So as you guys know, Jeannie's paint job is finished and she looks absolutely gorgeous. But I have a car show coming up and I need to do a donation piece for it. So this is what I'm thinking. I mean, these have been sitting for a while now, but I'm gonna do another skate deck. It'll be fun, practice piece. I got loads of them. And yeah, I think I could bust out something pretty cool. I'll tell you more about, yeah, that was a practice piece. That'll be sanded off. Okay, I'll use this one. I'll tell you more about the car show in a little bit. Well, I was gonna sand down this deck and start working on it, but I have this from earlier. Saved myself an entire night of work. Already heavy metal flaked, completely covered in dust. But I was just gonna do silver on the other one, but this one's already flaked out. So I'll show you how it'll look once it's cleared. Give it a little clean. Yeah, there you go. Already flaked out. So that'll be perfect. Let's just start taping out some patterns. Don't like it. Well, that'll do. Alright, well, my camera died yesterday, but this is what I managed to get done. So I added in just little fine line stuff using, this is 0.05 inch tape. So yeah, I'm gonna start this off with black just to keep it nice and easy for myself. Also, I've never started with black candy. I've seen a lot of people do it black and then they just go over it with a solid color. This traditional flame, I'm gonna go with a kind of like a traditional color. So the background's going to be blue candy, the inside orange on the outside, and then of course yellow in the middle. I'm going to do some pig and gold. I'm really happy with how the flames turned out. I'm glad I redid them. Yeah, looks very even. Looks totally cool. Just one little mistake I have to fix right here. Just had a little rollback in the middle of the night, so I'm going to clean up that line and then start masking it off to spray some candy in it.
A few moments later.
Well, there's no rules to custom paint, and I changed my mind because I'm gonna try a little experiment. So instead of starting out with black, I'm actually gonna use some Voodoo Violet. I got this ready to spray stuff. I also have the concentrate in my mixing room, but I don't really feel like mixing any if I've already got that ready to go. So I'm gonna do a little Voodoo Violet and then peel off all the 16th inch and all the 0.05, and then yeah, and then we'll go ahead and do the blue over top of the Voodoo Violet and see how that looks in the sunshine. Right, well this is looking very cool. Happy that I went with the violet. So now I'm just going to mask off the flames on the inside, spray down the blue, then the outside of the flames will be finished. And then I'm just going to mask off over top of the blue and violet, cut out where the flames are, and then spray in the inside of the flames, peel off the final bit of tape, and then clear coat it. just like that, it is all masked off. The flames are masked out, ready for my last two candy colors. Gonna lay down the pagan gold first, blow in the tangerine around the outside, unmask everything, and then it'll be ready for clear coat tomorrow. Just need a quick scuff, good clean, clear it up. But my camera's gonna die, so I'm just gonna go ahead and paint it and show you guys how it looks after I paint it right about now. Well, there we have it. And that's all for tonight, but man, those colors look sweet. I cannot wait to clear this thing. Really make all that flake pop. But that looks awesome. So, totally stoked with that. Man, this is gonna be a tough one to let go. But it's late, it's close to midnight. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna clear this tomorrow. Yeah, that is sweet though. Very happy with that. If you like this, hit subscribe. I would definitely appreciate that. More stuff like this to come. It's clear coat day. So, gonna set up a stand in the booth, mix up a little clear. Here we go. Back in the shop again, and we have this beautiful piece all cleared up. It's been sitting for a few days now, so it should be fully cured up. It's got some dust nibs in it, and of course the usual wave that you see that climbs up and over the all the different layers of candy and stuff like that, the different thicknesses of paint. So I'm gonna sand this all down, and I'll show you guys each step, how it looks, how we want it, and we'll go from there. Here we go. Initial sand done, and we are sitting in 800 grit right now. And as you saw in the last little clip I showed you, there's no more shiny bits except for a few little here and there, but yeah, so it's sitting in 800 now. So 800, 1000, 3000, and then I'm going to start with a polish number 1, 2, 3, maybe only 1, 2, and then 2 coats of wax. It should look like glass. We'll see. All right, so now it is fully sanded out, 800, 1000, 3000. And as you can tell, starting to get that bit of shine back. We like that, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna go get my polishing pads out. I think one of them's clean-ish. I don't know. Anyways, I'm polishing right on here, and these are my Neely pads, so it might just suck some sand out and polish it in, but I think I blew it off pretty well, so we'll see how it goes. have it, all finished. And there's a few like DA scratches in it and stuff. See if I can find some of that. Ah, camera's not picking it up. Well, if the camera won't pick it up, then old man eyes probably won't either. Yeah, if it was a show car or something, obviously I'd get those DA scratches out, but this isn't a show car. It's actually a donation piece I'm giving away for free. Man, that sparkles. The camera just doesn't quite pick it up, but that's a wrap. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap for this episode and this skate deck, but it is now time for the Slickworks Slick sound effect of today, this episode, or whatever. Last one, it was a blown Hemi, but I mean blown big block. You could hear that supercharger lope and whatnot. A lot of people commented. That was like over a month ago, so I don't really remember who commented first, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it away to the Canadian Bubba. This guy has been watching every single Slickworks episode. He comments on everything, he likes everything, and it is much appreciated. Canadian Bubba, that one's for you, buddy. So for this episode, here is a sound effect. Guess what it is. If you get it right, you'll get a shout out in the next episode. Here it is. Well, there you have it. So make your best guess what you thought that was. Comment below. You get it right, shout out next episode. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate that. Is this an electric vehicle in Slickworks shop? Uh-oh. Oh, it's an electric vehicle that can do something cool, though. Let her rip, buddy. Woo! Oh, is it leaking already? I hear it. Oh yeah, right there. It's got wind coming out for sure. No, here, back it up. I'll kick the tire back. Right on, yo. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, that's hot. You know what I think I'm gonna do? Next time I know that there's gonna be a big burnout on the shop, I'm gonna bring all my fresh laundry down here and just hang it up there. Right?